table looks like, and this is the whole setup. I have a cute little Among Us doll. So this is what the bed looks like actually. So right over here I have my desk and the shelf. So let us talk about the shelf first. By the door I have my laundry bag, which right now has... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a room tour. I did film this video like a week ago, but it did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out, so I'm gonna film it again. And I want to provide the best content for you guys, so I'm gonna refilm it. So right now I'm sitting on my bed, which y'all are gonna see in a minute, and I'm gonna give you guys a detailed room tour and a 360 like an overview at the end of the video. Also, I made a coffee. I did not have any milk today and I did not have it in me to go get it, so I just made some black coffee and it's not that bad. But yeah, anyways. And I'm currently in my second year of college. I'm pursuing CSE engineering, and this is my dorm room, hostel room, or whatever you want to call it. I live alone. I have a single room, and also I know my hair is wet, and please just ignore my voice because I have a cold. Let's get started. Let's get into the room tour. Okay, that is where the room starts from. Can you see that? That is the door. I'm not gonna show you that because I have a lot of clothes on the back. Let me give you a sneak peek. There are a lot of clothes and I'm not gonna no. So we're just gonna skip the door, okay? Only the door, I promise. I'm gonna show you everything else. Oh, you know what? Whatever. Let's be real. Let's be friends. This is what the door looks like, and these are all of my clothes, my towels. We're being real here, okay? We're being real. So nobody judges me, okay? Filming a room tour by yourself is hard. So right by the door, I have my laundry bag, which right now has clean laundry in it. I just got it back yesterday, so it has a lot of clean clothes. Yeah, they actually provide us with the laundry bag. Moving here, we have a mirror. Of course I have a mirror. Come on, who remembers the fact that I lost it? I just now got it back. I have a bath mat, a doormat, whatever you want to call it, right here. Okay, I changed the angle. Hope this one's better. So right over here I have my everyday products, my moisturizer, eye cream, sunscreen, lip balm and all of that stuff, and this is some random stuff. You're gonna find empty boxes of Ferrero Rocher in my room always, and this is like not the only one. I have more. A frying pan, and this one actually has just plenty of random stuff and nothing else. So let us move a little further to the side to the desk. So right over here I have my desk and the shelf. So let us talk about the shelf first. Okay, so this is the shelf. I have all of my stuff here, like most of it here, and as I told you, I have more boxes of Ferrero Rocher here. I have a basket up there which has all of my cords, my chargers, and everything related to tech, shampoo, and oh my god, I've been obsessed with this brand, like Priyanka Chopra's brand, Anomaly, but this is a dry shampoo. I use their shampoo, their conditioner, and leave-in conditioner, their dry shampoo. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Anomaly is... I love that brand. I have my creatine, and my protein powder is behind it. I use the one from Isopure, and my creatine is from Muscle Blaze. I have a lot of books. And then I have this book that I'm currently reading, 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So far, I'm loving it. I'm this much in. My makeup bag and some eatables like coffee and all of that, and we have Saraswati Mata over here. So, and look what else I have. I have a cute little Among Us doll. Look how cute, how pretty it is. Let us move to the table now. The room is pretty small, you know, it's really hard to place the tripod. Hi, a good angle. Okay, so this is what my table looks like, and this is the whole setup. So on my table you'll find a nice pink keyboard, like a nice pink keyboard. I have a mouse, I have my headphones right here, my laptop, my iPad, a notebook that I use on an everyday basis, and a laptop stand. Here's my chair, which has a jeans on it, and my bag. Do you want me to do a what's in my bag? Because I can do that in some other vlog. Like, I don't want to make a separate video out of it because, like, come on, that's like not gonna be that fun to watch. But I can add that in a vlog somehow. So comments mein bata dena niche. That is what it looks like. It has all of my stuff, my deodorant, some gum, Vaseline, like all of the random stuff, toners, face washes, and sunscreen, like everything related to skincare and makeup, and some random stuff over there. A hairbrush and some glass cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's in my drawers. They're messy, so nobody judges me, okay? A headband, some dhupatti, which is not allowed, so don't send this to my warden. I have a lot of hair accessories like scrunchies, clutchers, and some random like nail polish remover, some combi flame for my period crowns and all, some rings I have, like random stuff. This one has stationery mostly, so we're not gonna look at that. Back here I have some more like patches, eye patches, a night cream, some pens, medicines for when I get cold and fever and kind of like that kind of stuff. So medicines, that's all in this one. Moving on here, let's see, what do we have? It's like random, like really random stuff. Sunglasses, like, okay, caramel syrup, vanilla syrup, some jewelry in that one, cereal, tissues, and yeah, a box full of pens. So that is what's in there. Moving on here, I have a JioMart order. Let me show you what I have. Here it is. Disclaimer, I did eat a lot from this, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm left with. So, a pack of chips. I have so many of these cup noodles here. These are my favorite. The red ones from Nissin. These are like, I love these ones. I have a bunch of Oreos in here. Then I have some energy drinks, Monster. We all know I love this one. It's my favorite one. So, little haul. Okay, so lighting's gonna suck a little bit on this side because I have huge windows over here, and this is like actually the best part about this room. It has huge windows, so lighting is always good, but like right now I'm facing the window, that's why it's gonna be a little bad, but I think we can work with that. So let me show you all the windows. So the windows go up till the very end of the wall, and same here. And here's my coffee, which I very much forgot to drink. So let's move on to the bed. So this is what the bed looks like actually. So y'all know me, I love my pillows. I have 1, 2 and 3 pillows over here, and let's not forget this little guy. I still haven't named him, so like let me know what should we name him, you know, like help me out over here. Like he's still nameless. He's cute, okay? I have my phone right here with me. I have the blanket over here, and this is what the bed sheet looks like, and this is what the entire bed looks like. I do keep some of my shoes down here because I don't know, I just don't have enough space. I'm not gonna lie, yes, this room is like much bigger than the one I had before, but honestly storage ki problem is still the same. Like we only have like a bed here, almirah here, and we have a table. That's all. So like size my room is bigger of course, but storage situation is kind of the same. So I don't know, I only took this room because of the huge windows behind me. So here, this is the side of the bed. Like I have my bed right over here, and then this is the wall here. Here's nothing but a lot of clutter and my cooler, which actually doesn't do anything. It does not make your room cold. It's good for nothing, and I don't know what we're paying this high fees for. Moving on to this side of the room, we have a huge shelf over here which I bought myself from Amazon. Come closer, come closer. When I told you guys that I'm gonna show you everything, I meant everything. So even though I'm not very proud of how it looks, like it is kind of messy, but it is what it is. I have shoes down here, so these are shoes. Under here are shoes. These are some extra random things that I did not have any space for, like a Nike package, some utensils and all of that thing. And over here are the clothes that are not clean. Like some of these are clean, like these folded ones are clean, so I have yet to like put them away. But these ones are not clean, so I have to give them in the laundry. And then I have some packages and stuff. So that is what's the deal with this shelf is. I do have a empty cardboard here, which is for my other tripod, my tripod for my ring light. Over here I have more shoes and more shoes. Okay, I am a sucker for sneakers. I love them so much that I have so many of them, and I will still keep buying them because I love them so much and nobody can stop me. So do not even try to tell me that I already have so much and that I do not need more, because I need more. Okay, so please don't. Let's move on to the niche or the cupboard or whatever you call it. Here's the cupboard, and it is a whole mess. Yes, I have all of these hanging clothes here, like my tops that look like pretty good. I have all of my jeans down there. I'm not gonna show you because बहुत ज़्यादा messy है. So I'm not gonna show you. I'm so sorry, but yeah. Random stuff over there, like bed sheets and my sanitary products, sports bras, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so I think it is time for the final overview of the room that y'all have been waiting for. So chalo, let's see कि room completely कैसा दिखता है. So here's the door that I'm not very proud of. The laundry bag, stand, and that is me. So hi everyone, that's me. Here's the table, which is not very clean but clean enough. The shelf, the big windows, my bed, and the cooler wall, the shoes, the shelf, the almirah. So that was my whole entire room. I've been recording for the past like 30 minutes and the ice is almost completely gone. As I was saying, this room is definitely bigger. It has much better lighting, and that is the only reason, the sole reason I got it, because I want natural light for my videos, because I want to make good content, you know. I just don't want to post for the sake of it. I want to provide good content and I want to work hard for it because I love it. I love creative things. I love making videos. Actually, I have a lot of stuff and that is why thoda sa storage ka issue hai. But I think I'm very happy the way this room turned out and everything. Let me know if you all liked it because I do like it the way it is. We're not allowed to decorate it. We're not allowed to put anything on the walls. So there's that. Hope you all liked this one. Hope you all liked the way my room looks and everything. Let me know what kind of videos you all want to watch in future. I'm really thinking of getting the study vlogs back, you know. College vlogs, living alone vlogs, maybe gym vlog. Let me know if you all would like that. So I am thinking of a lot of videos. So it's in process. It's in process. Sorry. But yeah, if you all like this video, please subscribe. I am trying my best to stay consistent because I love you all so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Also, like, share, comment, do all of that because that really helps. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.